Big story that has happened overnight is Alvarez, Canelo has tested positive for clenbuterol, but he's Mexican and so he can blame it on contaminated meat products.
So naturally, there is no impact of this on competitive sport whatsoever. The fight is going ahead as planned, and that's that basically.
Yeah, well, he's Mexican and they have clenbuterol in their meat, so I don't know what the big issue is here. Like, he's definitely not getting any benefit from this. Canelo failed a drug test. I fucking knew there was a reason I lost to him, says @Liam Beefy Smith, who obviously, you know, is a boxer who's been beaten. Canelo, you cheating red-headed wanker, says Billy Joe Saunders.
You're Billy Joe.
Triple G, let's go, champ. And then Eric Donovan, Cam, this clenbuterol is serious shit. You can't blame meat. It's like blaming the slice of cake in Amsterdam. If you tested positive for marijuana, I mean, you know, we've all been to Amsterdam, Eric. It burns fat, builds muscle, and helps breathing. If you're consciously taking that, you're out to do serious harm. #life ban. And ultimately, the thing about boxing is if they have this kind of wishy-washy attitude towards people taking drugs, they are screwed. People are going to die in the ring. A person died in the ring 2 weeks ago. Not suggesting that was anything to do with drugs, but here's the point. It doesn't matter. You're actually, the job of a fighter is to concuss to the point of knockout your opponent. You can do that much better when you're off your head on drugs. Like, you can absolutely batter people. This is dangerous.
Yeah, it completely is, but there is also a lot of money involved in the sport, so there is a lot at stake. There is like kind of a brushing under the carpet, a cycle that goes on with boxing. It's like, let's just get this fight done and then we'll address it afterwards. Then the fight happens and they hug in the ring, like, that was a great fight. Why were we worried about that thing again?
Yeah.
And nobody can quite recall what just happened, and then it happens again, then it happens again.